Okay, I'm trying to diagnose, excuse me, why my car won't start. Over the course of 3 days, it began to struggle more and more to start until it finally wouldn't start at all anymore. So I've got it jumped with another car right now. It was at 9 volts when I started. I have a little thing here, it'll tell me 10.1. I got it tested, the battery. I got the batteries at a parts store, and it wasn't getting above 10 volts there either. So I'm thinking maybe I'm hoping it's the battery and not the alternator or the starter. So when I try to crank it, nothing happens. It doesn't even struggle to crank. It's just nothing. You can't probably see it in the video, but lights turn on and off. I think brights, I can't tell because it's daylight, but brights may even be working. So lights work, radio works, but it just won't start. I'm trying to see if the battery voltage will get above 10, because if it doesn't, then maybe it's the battery, but at the same time, maybe it's the alternator. I don't know. Make sure that's good and on there. The terminals aren't tightened down now because I just put the battery back in, so I haven't put the terminal things fully tightened down yet. Terminal things. You can tell I'm very knowledgeable and skilled in this. Okay. Any difference on the battery voltage? Still at 10.1. Looks like it is not getting above 10.1 no matter what I do. So is that the battery? The battery is over 10 years old. It had a 2007 sticker on it. This is a 03 vehicle. So maybe it's the battery, but maybe it's the alternator. I don't know. I wish I had a spare battery of the same vehicle that I could swap out and see if that's the problem. But all the internal electro, that's a little bit dim though, that light. That's a little dimmer than it's supposed to be, I think. Unless I'm wrong. Pretty sure that looks dimmer, but everything up here looks like the normal. Ooh, the windshield wipers are super slow. Yeah, that's slow. I wonder if that is an indicator of anything. And I can't tell if the lights are brighter than usual or dimmer than usual because it's daylight. Lost my train of thought for a second. Anything different? Still 10.1. I don't want to buy a battery if the battery's not going to fix it. I don't want to go through the trouble of replacing an alternator if it's not the alternator. Well, if anyone knows what could be wrong, what's most likely wrong, please let me know. Appreciate it.